Hello, today we are going to try to diagnose and fix this Braun electric shaver. It is extremely nice model that I love very much, and that's because of that station. It is not only charging base, but also it is designed to clean up the blades, and because of that it prevents you from getting razor bumps, and that was one of my best purchase. But we've got a problem, and this device looks completely dead and it's not recharging. Let me plug it into go 0. I can see some spike in the current draw, but as you can see it's totally dark, and after dropping in it should start recharging, and by pressing that button it should start cleaning cycle. So first let's start and measure those two contacts and see if we've got any voltage. I'm in the DC mode, and to be honest I see 0 volt, so this is the problem. Here we've got the corresponding contacts for recharging, but we do not have it here. I've got the cleaning solution, as you can see, so it is not a matter of sensor, but even that we should get a charging, but as you can see we've got nothing. The shaver itself is working. I can turn it on, but as you can see it was not cleaned. And let's take a look, do we've got a voltage on that plug. So this device should output 12 volts DC, as you can see. And let's take a look. That plug is really nice because we've got a label for positive and the negative. So let's take a look. And we've got absolutely 0 volts. So we've got either problem with the wire, but it was stationary, so most likely we've got a problem with the power supply. But very briefly I can see a 1 watt spike. We are going to cut our plug. We are going to stripe this wire, just like that. We've got a double insulation, very nice. Let's see, can we do 2 at once? Yes, of course, as you can see very nicely. And we are going to test it using my lab power supply. First we need to figure out where is our positive and where is negative. I'm in the ohm mode, that's got a plus. So we go here, and now so here is going to be our positive. The positive 12 volt is on the white. We are going to also check the wire. We go to the second hole, and we've got a connection, so the wire is totally fine, and that's going to be our 12 volt negative. We are ready to plug into my power supply. I set it up to 12 volt at 2 amps, and I will attach the banana plugs. And I can see that it starts working, and the shaver is recharging. So we know for a fact that the power brick is broken and need to be replaced. I managed to find a replacement, most likely from some sort of router. We've got a 12 volt at 2 amps. which meet the minimal requirement of our genuine power supply. We've got a different plug, but in my drawer of different models, I've got that female one, and we can nicely go from this and solder it over there. And let's do it that way. We are going to add the tape as protection measure, so we're not going to short. And we secure it. Just like that. We've got the insulation in between. We attach it. We plug it in. And we start our cleaning process. And as you can see, everything is working just fine. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.